Dear students, welcome. Now in this presentation we are going to discuss about what is resistance, electrical resistance, and the factors on which electrical resistance of a conductor depends. Right. So let us discuss about resistance and define what is resistance. So electrical resistance. Metallic conductors have free electrons, we know. Now these free electrons are basically the charge carriers, because only these free electrons are able to move through a solid metallic conductors. Now when these conductors are connected to a source of potential difference, because if a conductor is not connected to a source of potential difference, there will be no flow of electric current, right? So when a conductor is connected to a source of potential difference, these free electrons which were earlier in random motion, when there is no source of potential difference connected to a conductor, these free electrons are moving randomly, वो इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं, right? But when this conductor is connected to a source of potential difference, these electrons start moving towards the positive terminal, because positive terminal has positive charge and electrons are negatively charged. So negatively charges are naturally attracted towards the unlike charge, that means that is the positive terminal. So they start moving in a definite direction, that is towards the positive terminal, and a continuous motion of electrical charge in a specific direction is known as electric current. So an electric current is formed. Now these free electrons, when they start moving through a metallic conductor in a specific direction, they in their way they collide with the atoms, ions or the molecules of the conductor, right? So when the electrons are ejected from atoms, these atoms become positively charged ions. क्या बन जाते हैं वो? Cations बन जाते हैं. Similarly, metals have atoms, there are cations, there may be molecules. Now these are all inside the conductor through, and because of that conductor is composed. Now when these free electrons move in a specific direction, these atoms, ions and molecules come in their way. Electrons की राह में आ जाते हैं, उनके way के बीच में आ जाते हैं. Now because of these atoms, ions and molecules, the way of the electrons get obstructed. जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की राह है, जो उनकी वे है, उनके रास्ते में क्या आ जाते हैं? अवरोध आ जाते हैं, ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन आ जाते हैं. एंड दीज आयंस, एटम्स और मॉलिक्यूल्स प्रोवाइड अ हिंड्रेंस. ये उनके फ्लो को क्या करते हैं? अपोज करते हैं, रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं, रिस्ट्रिक्ट्स द मूवमेंट और अपोज और हिंडर द मूवमेंट ऑफ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. नाउ दिस फिनोमिनन ऑफ ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन और हिंड्रेंस टू द फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स is known as resistance. तो ये एक मैंने आपके अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए एक कंडक्टर, मेटलिक कंडक्टर शो किया है. नाउ दिस मेटलिक कंडक्टर कंसिस्ट ऑफ द मेटलिक एटम्स. दीज आर द मेटलिक एटम्स, राइट? दीज आर द मेटलिक एटम्स. नाउ दीज येलो और ऑरेंज arrows are the electrons, free electrons. Now I have connected it to a source of potential difference. This is the positively charged end and this is the negatively charged end of the conductor. So what is happening? These free electrons are moving towards the positive terminal, but when they are moving in their way, there are atoms, ions and molecules of this conductor which obstruct the flow of free electrons towards the positive terminal, and this obstruction or the hindrance to the flow of free electrons is known as resistance. Thank you.